Today we are going to study the internet. But before we move on, let us know what is a network. As in our day-to-day life, we can see many networks like a network of telephone lines, electricity wires and roads where various components are connected to each other in some ways. And for example, in our body also there is a network of blood vessels. The arteries carry blood away from the heart while the veins carry it back to the heart. All of them are connected to each other and form a network that helps in blood circulation. Same way in computers also, all the computers are connected through a network. So let us study the definition of network. What is network? When millions of computers are connected to each other, they form a network. क्या होता है यहाँ पर? जब millions of कंप्यूटर एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं तो वो क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? एक नेटवर्क फॉर्म करते हैं. Next we'll study internet. What is internet? It is a global network connecting millions of computers worldwide. So what is internet? It is a global network connecting millions of computers worldwide. They can share all kinds of information such as text, graphic, voice and video. So what is the internet? When millions of computers are connected globally in a network, they can share all kinds of informations like text, images, voice, video, etc. Next we have uses of internet. What are the uses of internet? First is news and information. We can get a lot of news over the internet. We can read digital newspapers over the internet, and we can get a lot of information around the what is happening around the world. So internet provides the facility to read different newspapers online and helps to get the information regarding the various topics of our interest, such as politics, sports, education, etc. It also helps us updated with current events. So over the internet you can get the latest news, what is happening around the world. Second use is art and entertainment. Using the internet, one can watch movies, listen to songs, play games and puzzles, read jokes, stories and books online. So हम लोग इंटरनेट के हेल्प से क्या कर सकते हैं? हम लोग मूवीज़ देख सकते हैं, सॉन्ग सुन सकते हैं, गेम्स खेल सकते हैं. ऑनलाइन गेम्स आर देयर. We can play puzzle games, we can read jokes over the internet, and we can read story books and different other things we can do on the internet. Next we have online shopping. You can do a lot of online shopping nowadays on the internet. You can purchase various items like books, clothes, electronic goods from different e-shops around the world without actually going there. Some examples are Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. These are some of the online shopping sites from where you can buy different items, and without even going there you can get it delivered at home. Mailing letters. Electronic mail is the most popular feature of the internet. It allows us to send and receive messages in real time. We can also attach pictures, videos, and sounds with an email. So, with the help of internet, we can send email to any part of the world, and along with your emails you can also attach uh, files like images, sound files, video files, etc. Now, health and fitness. Using internet, one can have an all-time doctor at one's service to provide health and fitness information. One can also search for remedies and precautions for different diseases. So nowadays on the online portal you can also find doctors who are ready to help you over the internet, and they are ready to give suggestions. You can also get some information regarding some disease and some cures to how to cure the disease. Tourism and travel. Internet provides the facility for online booking of hotels, railway tickets, air tickets all over the world and round the clock. So at any time you can book a ticket from any part of the world in any part of the world. So supposing if you are in India and you want to book a ticket, a flight ticket from India to some other country, you can do it by sitting at home only. And you can also the book the hotels also, and different other things you can also book over the internet. Chatting. This feature allow us to exchange text messages instantly with other persons on the internet. Now you must have heard about different uh, online sites where you can go and uh, talk to the person, like for example Facebook, Twitter. These are some of the online sites where you can access your friend's ID and you can talk to them on the internet. This is called chatting. Banking operations. Using internet e-banking services, one can perform all banking operations from anywhere without visiting the bank. So nowadays you can also do banking operations with the help of internet. You don't have to go to the bank. You can do different transactions with on the internet only. Video conferencing. Through video conferencing, you can communicate with another person both verbally and visually, even from the location that are geographically apart. For video conferencing, the communicating parties need to have web cameras. So nowadays you can also do video conferencing where you can actually see the person who is talking to you. For that you will be needing a web camera, and you can talk to that person wherever that person is in the world. Wherever he is, you can connect to that person and you can talk to that person by seeing his or her face.